Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage story settings of any account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, choose your account, choose any account and hold on it like this, and here you will find story settings, and here as you see you can manage your story settings as you want. You can turn on story notifications, you can turn on mute story, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.